Right, okay, we towed this down out of the workshop about a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Excuse me.
About a month and a half.
Month, was it? Really?
Yeah.
Right, oh, yeah, we were going to do the Cortina, but due to what was going on, everywhere's been laid off, so we decided to shelve the Cortina. And I think if you check the registration, this was MOT'd in 2012.
Expired 2012.
Expired. So it's 8 years, isn't it? So 8 years, this hasn't really run for or been anywhere. The only reason it looks clean, I think it's been rain. But under here is a, oh, if I can do it, a 2.8 Daihatsu turbo diesel engine. But back in the day, it was quite a common conversion, really. We'll just better give it a cold start and see how it gets on. Yeah, the exhaust bright, Sean, and that.
Yeah, I just got it puffing out.
Crazy, isn't it? Look at that.
I think it's just a really slack belt looking at it.
Mine that,
Yeah, there.
wow, look at that, ain't bad, is it?
And it's moving.
That's got some torque, that has, I tell you.
Still running.
Lovely. Right, so if we turn that off or we'll get carboned up. Right, sorry the other video was a bit hectic and rushed around because we're not really cameramen, Sean, are we?
No.
No, it was a bit more panicky, so I'm not sure we're choking. So I think just we've had a quick look underneath, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we reckon, oh, we might have a bit of a water leak to look
I
at.
think that's that bottom hose.
Is it?
That Jubilee clip was.
Oh, right, okay, rotted off of it. So it looks like it might be 4 outriggers, bit of chassis work. 2 weeks on this one. It's not really straight on the ramp, but that's my fault, no one else's. We're going to aim for 2 weeks, do the outriggers, brakes, chassis done, and then paint if we can, don't we?
Fingers crossed if
Bit-
they don't shut suppliers down.
Yeah. If not, we'll have to do a professional job and paint it or something, won't we? Right, okay then. Okay, so we've had a bit of a dig into the little 90. It's had a repair on the top of the bulkhead repair panel by the vent there. That's not us, previous. Needs another one there. And oh, I'm not very good with this torch malarkey. So, there we are, little 90, whatever it is, year 88, something, 87. Needed an outrigger. New outrigger in there, that's a bit of grind up and doing. And the dreaded bulkhead repairs. Down in there, look. Up in there, can you see that or not? Is it? That's it, that's a bit better. So, and he wants another repair panel there, but because of what's going on in the world at the moment, we managed to find one. There, look, that's going to go up there. So, let's have a look. Oh dear. There we go. So this car's been owned by the last owner for 30 something years. It's such a genuine little vehicle, this one. I've originally, this would have been, can you see the miles in there? Is it 121, I believe that might be right. So this car would have originally had a little 2.5 TD. I think the engine's a 19J engine. Or, yeah, it would have been a TD. Well, I think, is there a turbo stick on it? I don't know, it's been painted so many times. Or it would have had the, it would have had the 2.25, would it? So it's had the 2. There we have it. So I think it had a 19J engine originally. I can't open this door because we've got to do all the hinges. So there we have that. Right. So we found some paint out that he had. Oh, I've no idea how old it is. That paint. I'm sure it'll be fine. So we're going to do it burgundy again. Is it sort of a burgundy, Sean? Isn't it? Red burgundy, this, wasn't it? Can't see. White roof. And if we come out here, we're going to put. They're quite nice. We'll put them on there. Obviously 4 of them. Seem to be missing the other one. Was it holding the Cortina up, was it? That's over there, right. So, there we are. And if that engine, for any reason, isn't much good, and all you Land Rover people will know this engine. What's that then? A little 200 TDI. That's what I'm putting in there. If that Daihatsu engine doesn't seem to be any good. Here we go.